Okay guys, so the reasons why your video don't sell is not because you don't know how to edit, and it's not also because you didn't create the video well, but it's because your video sales letter is not converting enough. The truth is, so many video ads creators, we are looking for you are doing so well, but we are not looking for I want to buy. That is the problem. We are looking for, oh, you are good, but we are not looking for, oh, I want to buy. If you look for I want to buy, then you will know that you need to write a very converting sales letter that would convert your potential buyers. That is just the truth. We are looking for I love this video, but we are not looking for I want to buy from this video. That is our problem. That is our problem. Without, or no matter how good you are, without a converting sales letters, your video will not convert. It will only entertain. So learn how to write engaging and converting sales letters.